Want to get sleep mode to activate automatically on Android phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, you gotta open up the settings. After that, locate your modes and routines and let's choose this tab. Great, here locate your sleep and let's tap on it. So let's set it up. So first of all, press on turn on automatically and let's set up our sleep schedule. So tap plus to add a sleep schedule. Now choose the timing wherein you want it to turn on and to turn off. So for example, let it start on 11:20 p.m. and finish on 8:30 a.m. Monday to Friday. So here you can add a wake-up alarm if you want to. Here you can set up alarm sound, vibration, snoozing. Let's set it up on interval 10 minutes and 5 times with repeat. And you can set up the alarm background if you want to. Now press save. For further customization, press add a condition. So here you can choose the context. For example, some time period, pretty much the same as we just set it up. Traveling abroad, driving, sleeping, before bed, wake-up time. Wi-Fi network if you're connected to it or disconnected to it. Bluetooth devices, airplane mode, mobile data. So for example, if you're like turning off the Wi-Fi, the condition is going to be applied and the sleep mode is going to be applied as well. So as you see, it's quite widespread. Also, you can choose when all conditions below are met or when any condition is met. Press done. Also, you can choose what this mode does. So press stay focused, press plus. You can add it up. For example, do not disturb mode. So here, adjust your do not disturb mode. Restrict app usage if you want to. I don't want that, so I'll press done for now. You can choose other actions and add up many more things. For example, eye comforting shield and power saving. Let's press done. You can choose whether you want it to change appearance or not. I don't want it, to be honest. And basically that's it. So now it's going to be activated automatically from 11:20 p.m. to 8:30 a.m. or when you're going to turn off the Wi-Fi. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Explore this option. Have a great day. Sleep tight.